Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night, you beautiful souls. How the devil is you? I tell you what, we've got some howlers going on today, don't we? I won't do that accent ever again, I promise. How are you all anyway? What's going on? What's cracking? Don't mind my, but I don't know who I am. My name is SamK, or SamK. I'm a class 2 hugger driver who is very HGV positive because he records himself doing it. But that's the way it is. That's the way it be. That way it be. Now, regular viewers of the channel would see that not in my truck. Ropes again. Remember the last video? Did a dinks. And I was looking down at the dash, looking all very concerned. I didn't want to let on at the time, but my truck was refusing to do a regen. By the time I go back to Reading, the DPF filter was completely full. No! So that's in getting fixed at the moment. Apparently it's not actually an issue really with the DPF system. I mean, it needs regen desperately, but the problem with the wiring between like the main ECU and the AdBlue management system or something, I don't know, but yeah, it was not a happy bunny. So yeah, that's getting, well, I'll imagine rewired at the moment. So yeah, hopefully have that back by next week. Oh well, no nights out for me for a few days. Because I was in a bit of a hurry. I had to drop the truck off there, grab one of their cars at the mechanics, grab one of their cars and shoot back to the yard and grab this and carry on doing work. So yeah, I didn't grab any of my night out gear, just grabbed the bare necessities to get me through the day. So yeah, and somebody else's night out gear is already in this. I don't know whose it is. Probably my boss's. He's got like night out gear in so many different trucks, it's unreal. But yeah. So anyway, what are we off to today? We're off to Londinium. I was going to do a bit of the old head cam action again, but guess where I left the head cam strap thing? You guessed it, in the lorry. So yeah, we're going to have a bit of fun with that. We're going to just off Victoria Street. It's near a site we've been to before, but it's not a site we've been to before. I've never been there anyway. Looks like it's going to be a bit of a tight one, but then again, it might not be. Getting gear. So yeah, we might be on a bit of a good job, and after that, we've got some collections to do. So not a bad little Friday really, which will do me because it's Doghouse Friday, it's Foot Down Friday, and it's Fuck Up Friday, all rolled up into one. Oh dear, and I'm knackered. I ain't got about. I didn't sleep well last night. Plus, obviously, I had to go home last night. It means I woke up super early. Well, to be fair, could you call 4 o'clock super early? It's not as early as some people do, is it? 6 will do. So yeah, we've got a bit of 4/4 action heading into London. Let's get on with it. Let's not more muck about anymore. Let's go sit in traffic between 3 and 1 because they're doing roadworks for no reason! We found the traffic. Oh my. Cheers. Ah, so good. Ah, Victoria. Or Lower Grosvenor Place, but we can just call it Victoria because it's what it is. My sat nav's trying to send me up there. I don't want to go up there because I know those roads get horribly tight. So I'm going to carry on up here, head down Victoria Street, head up Broadway. It's a bit of a chimney shoe on the left-hand turn at the top of there, but we should just about get away with it. I honestly thought we were going to be late, but it's currently 10 to 8. Why did it take me so long to say that? So we're meant to be there at 8 o'clock, so we might have gotten away with it. Just the traffic coming down the M4 was just worse. Like, the traffic's been bad there for a few weeks whilst I've got that lane closed, but not as bad as that. That was, ooh, Mr. Frax Transport. That was a bit of a cheeky one, wasn't it? Even by my standards. Oh, now I've got to fit between you, that sign that's fallen over, and because the front corner of this truck's just recently been repaired. So, not really good boy. You know, when you see it, you just notice the driver evidently does not care. Oh dear. Yeah. So hopefully this little gamble of mine pays off. So concentrating, boom. Right, we're on to Broadway now. We've done loads of work at that site there. That's been in a few videos, but it's pretty much all done now. We're just doing the interior fit out at the moment. Yeah, done loads there. It's quite nice to see a site that you delivered to loads of times actually completed. Oh, it's a good thing I didn't go up there. Oh, it might be a bit of a man the curve moment. The turning circle in this lorry can be a bit awful. Lovely. So coming down here, this road here is literally called Petite France. Apparently. Oh yeah, BTP also. Yeah. Oh, horses and van coming. Hello, horsies. What's going on down there then? Right, this bit gets a bit hairy. So avoid that sign for the Adam and Eve pub. Avoid that lamppost. Alright. And that is exactly where I want it to be. Oh geez, what's going on in there? Well, that must be the site there then. Oh, that's right, I've never been here before. Apparently there's a parking suspension here. There's a traffic marshal. Please stop Snapchatting! What's behind me then? Sure there's something behind me. Yeah, of course there's something behind me. Why have they put those cones there? That is really inconvenient. Might have to actually go up the curb now. Try and get out of this fella's way. And he's putting more cones down. Why is he doing that? Happy days, right. Let's get tipped. Right, so it's really meant to be a flatbed delivery, tower frame. So I thought I'd take a couple bits off the Moffat, wait for them to be craned away. I'll take a couple more bits off. So, bad break. But yeah. Still not used to doing this in front of other people. Doing this for a number of years now. took nearly 2 hours. No, actually, no, bang on 2 hours, because I got there at 42. No, not 42. No, yeah, so just less than 2 hours, actually. Oh my, what on earth is going on here? Oh my God. What on earth am I supposed to do with this? Well, this is a tight... I'm going to run you over otherwise. Such a busy part of London. Pardon? Yeah, well, I could have gone, the rest of it's all one way. Hey, but we did it. And that sun's right to my eyes. There we go. Oh my God. Oh well, it's all part of the fun and games. So I want to be back on Victoria Street, which should be down here. What a palaver. What an absolute palaver. Mr. Skip Waggons, gone the other way. Yeah, DPD driver was not too happy with me turning there. But he stopped, and as soon as I started filling out, he kept coming. So, oh well, in fact I actually held him up earlier as well. Because he tried to come down the street I was doing a delivery on. I held him up for about 5 minutes. So he's probably not best pleased with me. But yeah, I've let the office know that's actually a tower crane delivery. I don't know if you saw my moment of glory because the camera died, as always. I just can't afford new batteries. In fact, I need to have a chat to you guys about the audio actually, but we'll discuss that in a bit. But yeah, it's yeah, I just can't afford a new battery for it. Simple as. Obviously, I could go for some cheap Chinese ones, but I'd just be back in the same boat. So rendering the whole exercise pointless. I want to turn right here. Please tell me that's to turn right, otherwise I've got to go out to Parliament Square and turn back around. Or go up Broadway, no, that's even more awkward, I might as well just go up to Parliament Square. That'll be a pain in the backside. Oh well. No rest for the wicked. First things first, don't I look fly as all hell with my new sunnies on? Don't I look just like, mummy please. But I made a cardinal error, people. So I called my boss. Right, I already know what I'm doing today, but I called my boss just to keep him trying to press things. That's to let him know that that delivery I just did was actually, yeah, probably better off for a flatbed. Right? Really remade this junction. I went, oh, you doing well then? I went, yeah, actually I might pop into Riverside and grab myself some brekkie. And he was like, oh, well, if you've got time to do that, you've got time to go get the truck washed. So basically, I now have no time to get brekkie, but I've got time to get the truck washed. I was really looking forward to my fry-up as well. I was like, when I knew what my orders were today, I was all like, ooh. Ooh. Breakfast. But no. Boss say me we no. Oh well. Get that something like that. Yeah, as we all know, I'm blind as a bat. So I had to go get myself some prescription sunglasses. I had to go for an eye test. 300 quid later. Yeah. But don't they look awesome? I'm well happy with these. Well happy with that. Lovely. Santa's going mental like, whatever you doing? Oh great, they've put the barriers in the way. Something shad nuts over there. He's got his little doodad in the way. Come on! buy a van. Don't buy it from here. No! Why's the thing down? Sugar. Oh, we're looking good. We're looking good.
Nice.
Yeah. Ugh. That barrier usually stays all the way up. Ugh. Oh, not quite yet. Load the barrier back onto the truck. Yeah, they do have trucks here sometimes, and I'm not putting my own effort into this. Piling garbage. Nah, it's actually, this truck drive's really nice, but it's never been really looked after.
Just hit a bit more.
Yep.
Start tracking. Yes.
How you doing, my friend?
Good, not too bad.
Truck pretty clean. I have a cup of tea now, Sam. Cheers, Doc. Scott loves it when I say I've got a cup of tea now, Sam, for some reason. He absolutely loves it. Don't ask me for why. Oh. How's that for a turning out of it now? Jesus. Why is it with these roadworks making my life hell? So now I've got to be careful of not twatting that Nissan down there with the tail swing. I might actually have to go down to Riverside and actually turn around. Ah, fuck. Ah, I got it. I got it. Tried it, wasn't going to work. Oh well, just have to go turn around. That's annoying. Oh well. Let's go get our load then. Oh yeah, had breakfast. It got relegated down to a sausage and egg sandwich. It's very nice. Alright, nearly there. Come on, girl. Shot 6 pallets of collect out of here, going down to Camberley. I've actually been here before, I think, but if I've forgotten, then I'll tell you a tale. Where we're heading to now, whilst banking curb, is actually a place where my dad used to operate out of when he first became an owner driver. But it's changed a bit since then. I need, right, okay, I'm gonna have to do our thinking for us, aren't I? But you used to be able to turn arties down here. Not anymore. So I know it's a bit violent, but reverse off this road is no joke. You gotta be quick about it, and you just gotta get on with it. And then you gotta try and not hit the nose of the gate. Hit the nose with the gate, you hit the gate with the nose. How are we getting on there then? No, we're alright. Not too bad. Yeah, you got to reverse all the way down, it takes forever. Mine like flicking tire range in a minute. No, I've tried that with this truck and passing. It will do it, but it don't like it. Yeah, a lot of people don't realise you can reverse in high range. It fucking goes. Right, again, one of you is going to have to do some thinking. No, you are going to make my life as awkward as hell, ain't you? I'll leave it. There we go. So a van behind me just sat there in the middle of the road, just like, shut up! Yeah. So yeah, it's literally the building right at the end of this road. And yeah, my dad, well, it's the first time I ever went abroad was loading out of here. It used to be run away. It used to be flying cargo, and then it became all port installations and got bought out. Yeah, they got bought out, and then they moved over to Access Park, the other side of Langley. But yeah, it used to be big shutters at the end of this building. It used to be the beginning of the warehouse. But it used to be Arctics down there. All Arctics, all heading over to all different places in Europe, carrying computers and mainframes and all sorts. I'll see if I can find a picture of my granddad's old lorry. That used to run out of it. But yeah, my granddad as well, actually, yeah. But not so much anymore. Days gone by now. I guess you could sort of call it the start of my apprenticeship. My entree into transport. Yeah, there's a bit of a dogleg turn at the bottom. Yeah, it's a bit of a bastard. Yeah, you could probably turn around there, but it's just, it takes forever. And trust me, I know that for a fact 'cause I tried. Did it, but it took a lot of shunts. I always leave that door open as well for some reason. You know, just make life a little bit extra. And then you get down the bottom here and there's another truck and like everyone's stuck. So you have to pull back out, wait for him to go, and then you it's a nice bit of locals though. Well, we call London local. Yeah, there's a Great Union Canal there, the Slough Arm. Great Union, or did I say Great Union? I meant Grand Union. Well, yeah, I can't see anything out of that mirror, the sun's shining right on it. I'm hoping and praying that nothing's there. Oh no, got it in shade now, I can see. There's a lamp just on the top of the building there, you'll avoid that as well. Yeah, basically, it's a bastard. It does open up a little bit around here. I'm sure if you're that way inclined, you could probably turn around in here, but again, why struggle? There's no one else in here, beautiful. Lovely. Right, let's get loaded. Loaded. Happy days, monster. Here's Sam with our glasses on. Here's a Sam that you want to go home with. What is the matter with me? Right. So this is just going over to Camberley now. Not too much of a bother, but it's that one place that I'm not allowed to film. I say not allowed to film, I've never really asked, but they deal with such things there that I wouldn't even entertain the fact. It'd just be it's very disrespectful of me to do so. So my radio seems to have defaulted to classic FM. Whatever. So yeah, 7 pallets, not 6, but that's alright. Got that dangerous goods notes. I mean, it's non-hazardous. It's mainly because it's being transshipped onto Italy. It would have been a day where I'd have taken it myself, but there we go. But yes, it's being transshipped onto Italy, and we'll just need that for the ferry. Or no. So if it's the driver I'm thinking of, he'll be taking the train, because he literally just does shuttle runs backwards and forwards from Camberley to Milan. Literally does his 24 off in Camberley every single time. He has his 45, like, full fortnightly reset at home, because that's the law. Oh dear, steady on, girl. Nice driving time I've done today. I've only done 3 hours driving so far. Quiet Friday. Oh no, Sam, what have you done? Yeah, I just ruined that. Oops. Yeah. Alright. Get over it. I'll get really used to a manual gearbox at some point. I haven't driven a manual for a week or two. I'll say a week or two, it's been a few months actually. It's been about 6 months since I last drove a manual. Well, last time I drove this was when I went to Canary Wharf. It's actually had a new gearbox since then as well. Remember in the last video I drove this, had no 5th gear. But I assume by the time if you double declunched it would go into, it was just a synchro issue, but no, they ended up, well, I say it was just a synchro issue, but they ended up replacing the entire gearbox. Apparently there was some other issues with it, well, there was going to be more issues with it, so to speak. Tell my arse ends to fucking out of that lane, so I'm going to have to go in that key clear, unfortunately. Clear the road up. Oh dear, but anyway, because I can no longer really do any recording, I'm probably going away with things here, guys. So I think you know what to do by now. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. If you're not going to subscribe for me, so at least subscribe for the sunnies, you know what I mean? And I shall see you in the next one. Remember to stay safe and stay well. Bye!